Hello there, Despiners. Basically, I just wanted to record this video. I've decided that I wanted to take a online design bootcamp. So I was doing my research online at which sort of the best sort of online boot camps that you can sort of take. So there's like two main sort of online reviewers, which is Course Report and SwitchUp. I've already filtered these already, so as you can see here, Designlab is rated very well. It's already getting 4.97 out of 5 stars. This is Designlab is only online, so the way I filtered this is to do these as only online courses. There are some that are in person. Doing it online makes it a bit cheaper. Obviously, there's not as much staffing. The material is just done online. And then the same if we look at SwitchUp's review. Startup and Institute, I couldn't filter this by just online. Theirs is in person. So the next one is Block, and Block was another big contender to think about. And then it's Designlab. So this was Block's website. The thing with their course is theirs was quite a bit more expensive. It possibly might go into, it is a longer program, but for the moment I've decided that I'm going to go with Designlab. But for the time being, just to get a bit better understanding, I'm not going to go for a full-blown course, which is the UX Academy, which they've just recently started. I'm actually going to take one of their smaller courses, which is Design 101, which is great for if you've not done really anything in design. And we'll just have a quick look at this now. And this is just a 4-week online course. But the really good thing about this is, with it being a boot camp and not just a course you buy and you just go through the material yourself, is as it says here, you get feedback on your work and you have Skype sessions with actual really good design mentors. So you will really improve on your work that you actually do. So what we'll be going through here is we're going to be going through like color theory, typography, layout in web design, and then using such tools as like Photoshop and Sketch. So it'll be really good as like a sort of foundation building blocks, hence the name Design 101 sort of thing. So obviously I'll link this website so you can have a look yourselves. Really good, here's an outline of how the 4 weeks are going to be. The next cohort is going to be starting on the 3rd of February, I believe. And as you can see, it's only $300 for this. Yeah, so 3rd of February. So I'm going to click, I'm ready to enroll. And in here, I'm just going to fill out my name. Go. And I'm just going to create a new password. There we go. Obviously, just for the purposes of this video, I'm going to blur out my credit card information just so it can't be seen. But no, this is definitely something I definitely think and would recommend so far from what I can see from my own research. But I'll be going into a lot more detail as I do this course. So I'll be reviewing at each sort of stage what I think and how it's going. And hopefully this will be something I might be able to recommend to you guys and help. Hey, there we go. So I'm enrolled and let's create my profile. So obviously I just wanted to show this to you guys and so I can be as transparent as possible. And as I was just saying before, that I'm going to be sharing obviously a bit more of a breakdown of how this course performs and if I recommend it, and then hopefully it'll be good for you guys. That's my intention. Is I get a lot of you guys when you sort of sign up and things like that, in the sense that you're asking to learn about design and the sort of the fundamentals and stuff like that, and hopefully this will be a course that I can highly recommend. And with the mentorship, I think that this is something that will be really, really good and a strong way for starting. So I'm just going to fill in this short bio. There we go. Just capitalise that. Want to learn the fundamentals of design, and please do bear with my spelling. I think this should hopefully... Oh, no, they need shipping information. Okay, again, for this, so that you guys can't see this, I'm going to blur this out. There we go. We filled in the spread the word and share a link. Oh, there we go. So I might be able to get you a 25% discount code. So I'll put that 25% discount code in the in this. I'm actually going to embed this video into a blog post, and I'm going to update this blog post as I go through the course and share my feedback and my sort of thoughts on how everything goes. So just change my Europe GMT, Google search. There we go. There we go. Brilliant. I'll see you guys soon, and I'll talk to you again once I've gone through the first bit of the enrolment.